Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we will learn how to add Lightning Web Components as a custom tabs in Salesforce. So in this we are going to create a dedicated tab for a Lightning Web Component. So first let me show you a custom tab that I have created for a Lightning Web Component. So as of now I have logged into my developer org and right now I'm in the sales application and here you can see the tab LWC Lightning. So this is the custom tab that I have created. So I have created this tab just to show as an example like how you can create a custom tab for a Lightning Web Component that in which you will display that specific Lightning Web Component. So let's move ahead and see the process where we will create a custom Lightning Web Component. Then we will create a custom tab for that Lightning Web Component. And before that, I will just take few seconds to introduce our newly launched Salesforce admin course. So this is our newly launched the Salesforce admin course, and I will also mention the course link in the description from where you can access and view the course. So we have designed this course specifically for the beginners and the people who want to learn the admin part. So in this course, you are going to get more than 50 hours of video content, including PDFs and solution. And for this course, we have covered every module in depth. You can see these are the modules that we have covered in this course, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Salesforce Navigation and Setup. So in the modules, you can see the table of content so that you will have an idea what are the topics that we have covered in this admin course. And we have covered this course in 10 modules. So it will take you around 2 to 3 months to complete this whole course. And when it comes to the pricing, we have kept it $199 for the lifetime access. So once you purchase this course, you are going to get lifetime access for this course. So this was all about the course, and now let's move back to the topic. So I've already set up my Salesforce project in the VS Code, and if you don't know how to connect VS Code with the Salesforce org, then I will also mention a step-by-step tutorial in the description from where you can see how you can connect your Salesforce org with the VS Code. So here in the LWC section, you have to right click on it and here select Create Lightning Web Component. So I'm going to name this component as Custom LWC tab, and make sure that you enter the name with the camel case, that the first letter of first word should be in small and first word of second letter should be in capital. So I'm going to name it as Custom LWC tab. So here in this example, I'm going to display current date. So to display the current date, first I'm going to define the UI of the Lightning Web Component. So first we are going to add a heading. So for that I will use the lightning card tag, and here I will enter the title of the LWC component, and here I will close the lightning card tag, and after this I am going to apply some CSS, and here we are going to enter the text. So the text will be, so with this text value we are going to see the current date. So for that I have also used the parameter current date in the parentheses. So with this the UI of LWC component is completed. Now we'll move to the JS file. So in the JS file we will define the logic to display the date in the LWC component. So for that we will define the function get current date. So this function is going to get the current date and then return the date in the string format in the LWC component. So at last we are going to expose this LWC component to the lightning page. For that you have to set is exposed to true. So now we have to set the target for this LWC component. So in this example, we are going to deploy this LWC component as a custom tab. So we will set the target as, so the target here will be lightning tab. So here first you have to set the targets, and inside the targets you have to select the target. So first I will add the targets, and within this I will set the target as a lightning tab. So with this the lightning web component is exposed to deployed as a custom tab. And if you already created a lightning web component and you just want to display that component as a tab, so for that you just need to make changes in the meta.xml file where you have to add this target, that is target lightning tab, inside the targets tag. So with this change your lightning web component will be eligible to be displayed as a custom tab. And at last we will deploy the changes to the org. So for that I will right click on the LWC component and then select deploy this source to the org. So now we can see the code is successfully deployed in the org. And now I will again move to the Salesforce setup page. So here on the setup page, we will create a custom tab for the Lightning Web component. For that, we will go to the quick find box and here search and select tabs. And now here in the tabs setup window, you have to scroll down. And here in the section Lightning component tabs, click on the new button. So in the Lightning component, you have to select the LWC component for which you are going to create the custom tab. So here I will select the lightning web component, and here we have to add the tab label. So the tab label I'm going to add here is date today. So you can name it anything according to your requirements, and with this you can also select the icon for the tab. So I'm going to select the bank icon, and optionally you can also write the description for the component tab, and here click on the next button, and from this page you have to select the permissions for the profile. So there are two options, that either you can apply one visibility to all the profiles, or you can apply different tab visibility for different profiles. For that you have to select the tab visibility for each profile. So in this example I'm going to apply the same visibility to all the profile, and after this you have to click on the save button. So with this we have embedded the lightning web component to a custom tab, and now to make this tab visible to the users, we have to host or deploy this custom tab on any of the Salesforce application. That can either be a Salesforce custom or a standard application. So for that, again go to the quick find box, and here search and select app manager, and here in the app manager you can see these are the custom and standard application that are there in my Salesforce org. So I'm going to deploy this custom tab in the sales stack application. So I will click on the drop down of this application and click on the edit button, and now in the app settings go to the left hand side of the screen, and here select navigation items. So here in the navigation items you will see two columns, that is available items and the selected items. So in the available items you will see the custom lightning component tab that you have created right now. So the tab name was, you can also search and select it. So I have named the tab as today's date today. So this was the custom lightning web component tab that you have created. So we will select it, and with the help of arrow keys we will move it to the section selected items. So here you can see at the bottom the date today custom tab is over here, and with the help of this up and down arrow you can change the position of this custom tab. And after this you have to simply click on the save button, and now the changes will be saved. And now we will go to the application where we have deployed this lightning web component tab. So the application was sales stack app, and here you can see, so here in this application you can see the custom lightning web component tab date today that we have created and deployed right now. So this is how you can create a custom tab for a lightning web component. So for this example I have created everything from the scratch, but in case you have already created a lightning web component and you just want to create a custom tab for that lightning web component, so the most common use case of creating a custom tab for a lightning web component is to display a lightning data table. For example, in our Salesforce we see the different objects. For example, so in the opportunity view you can see this is also a data table, so it is displayed in a tab. In a similar way we can also display a lightning web component table in a custom tab. So for example, I already have a lightning web component through which I have created a lightning data table. So to create the lightning data table I have used this lightning data table extension, and also you can check out a video in the description in which I have explained how you can create a lightning data table in Salesforce using the LWC. So here you just need to make the changes in the meta.xml file. For that you have to just include one more target, that is target as lightning tab. So here I'm going to copy this target from the previous LWC component, and here I'm going to paste the target of lightning tab. And after making the changes I'm going to deploy this code source to the org, and again from the setup we will navigate to the tabs. So here in the custom tabs again we will go to the lightning components tab. So the process of deploying the custom tab is going to be the same. So here I'm going to select, so this is the custom LWC component that we have exposed right now to deploy it as a custom tab. So the label I'm going to give it as account table, account data table, and here we will click on the next button, and after selecting the visibility click save. And now we will go to the Salesforce app manager where we will deploy this custom lightning web component tab to the application. So again I'm going to select the previous application, that is sales stack app. Again I will click on the edit button, and here in the navigation items I will move the account data table tab to the selected items section, and then click on the save button. And now in the sales stack app we can see the custom tab in which we have deployed the lightning data table. So it was account data table. So here you can see in this custom tab we have deployed the lightning data table. So this is how you can set up and create a custom lightning web component tab in Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.